Okay, let's do LeetCode 58 length of last word. This problem just wants you to return the length of the last word in a input string, and it can get tricky because there's extra spaces and stuff. So let's do this in JavaScript, and I'm not going to use like split or anything like that. I'm going to use the way that LeetCode does it. So credit to LeetCode for this solution. So first you want to get the length, or sorry, set a length of 0, and then what you want to do is you want to get your for loop, and we're going to let initialize I as 0, and while I is less than the length, we'll increment. Okay, so then what we want to do, we want to do if where we're at in the word is a space, sorry, is not a space, if where we're at in the word is not a space, then what we want to do is set another if statement in here and check to see if the element before it is a space. If the element before it is a space, we're going to set length to 1. So this is a reset right here. And then let's code the rest of this so you can see how this works. Else what you want to do is do length plus 1. And then at the end here, we're just going to return the length. All right, so let's run this. We have some wrong answers. We gotta set the length to 1 that in the reset. There we go, that should work. Okay, so what we're doing here is when we're going through this input string of hello world, we're checking is the letter that we're on, is this a space? If it's not a space, we check to see if the letter before it or the character before it is a space. And we want to then set it to 1 if it is a space because it's a reset. So when you're walking through here, we're going to go, okay, this is the letter, length plus 1. This is a letter, length plus 1. This is a letter, length plus 1. This is a letter, length plus 1, right? When we get to here, we're going to skip it because it's a space. But then when we get to this character in the next word, we go, okay, this character is not a space. But before it, there is a space. So reset that length to 1. And then we continue building our string. So now we go, okay, length is 1, length is 2, length is 3, length is 4. And what happens is after this, we run out of space, and then we just return the length after we run out of here. And it doesn't matter if we have spaces after it because we never increment this word. All right, I'll leave it there.